Literacy Workshop of the year 2025. It's gonna be epic.
Call me Dr. Caleb.
No, call me Professor Caleb. Professor in economics, Nobel Prize winner in economics. There is no nation right now that is operated purely on just one versus the other. None. Once you start knowing your personal economy, right, your income versus your expense, your cash flow, and your net worth, and then you can start seeing what's going on a short-term level, what's going on a long-term level.
To face those financial fears is like so important, and in our partnerships with our spouses and our business partners and our clients, and like we're just having to talk about money all the time.
And I believe the 5 types of people for your financial aid team are specialists, connectors who can connect you to the right people, mentors and mentees, we do this so well, financial friends, and the 5th piece is change makers.
And really, the secret is, we're all hungry for more business. So if you go into your banker and say, I want to talk about my business and how I can grow it with you, you're going to get a great reception. And if you don't, let that be your first indication that that's not your banker.
All right, guys, we just got done with the Financial Literacy Conference at UNC Greeley. It was epic. Man, so many great questions, so many conversations about money. So excited, check it out. We're at the Financial Education Center, and yeah, good stuff.